And welcome back to Everyman RV. Dave Erickson here at Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake, Washington, which is about a mile west of the Washington-Idaho border. Brett's has multiple locations throughout Washington, Idaho, and Montana, selling everything from travel trailers, fifth wheels, toy haulers, motorhomes, boats, and cargo trailers. You can see their new and used inventory right now at brettsrv.com. In the meantime, here's today's feature presentation.
Hello everybody, it's Kenny with Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake. Today I'm going to show you a couple of pontoon boats that have different styles and different features, but they're still great for all the water that we have in eastern Washington, North Idaho, and western Montana. We can take them on little lakes, the big lakes, the river, so in that respect they're quite the same. To start, we're going to go to this 18 Sunchaser Vista. And this is very much a leisure type boat for the whole family. We have leisure seating up here. We have leisure seating on both sides. It's extremely comfortable and it fits the whole family. If we move towards the back, then we also have very comfortable leisure seating in this corner, just kicking back, enjoying the lake, right? And then we move over here. We have seating, but there's also storage under all of our seats. So life jackets, lunch, sodas, and things like that. And the other boat I'm going to show you today is a Sunchaser Vista 20 Fish. Okay, and this is a pontoon leisure fishing boat as well. And we'll start in the back with these two chairs here. Can't you just see yourself sitting here making casts, catching fish? And then once you do catch those fish, look at right here, everybody. We have a live well in which to keep those fish. But we also have the ability to just lounge and enjoy the family. This boat is a little bit bigger. It's 20 feet long. It has a capacity for 9 people, so we can have a nice little party cruising across, again, the big lakes, the little lakes, the rivers. This is a very versatile boat. We come up here and there's storage under both seats on both sides. We have life jacket storage, lunch, soft drinks, water, and that happens on both sides. My name is Kenny Bartlett with Brett's RV and Marine in Liberty Lake. If you'd like to come and look at either one of these two pontoon boats, please come and see me. And remember that Brett's is not only a boat shop, we also have a full line of RVs, fifth wheels, trailers, and so any outdoor recreation that you would like to get into, come and ask for Kenny and I'll give you a tour.
Just another example of the cool stuff they have here at Brett's RV and Marine. I'm Dave Erickson with Everyman RV. Thank you so much for watching. Click subscribe and stay tuned for the next one.